earth, forest, animals, wildlife, trees, Paul Rudd. Yeah, the truth is I haven't been uploading ever since my Bob Ross video just exploded with popularity. I don't know, I became a different person. Got a different mindset. Man, the analytics got to me, they were just, my channel was growing. I needed to go back to my very roots, ramp roots as I call them. So I decided to take a hike, right? And there was this trail leader and whatever, and I couldn't find the trail leader anymore. So, at that point, I got lost. I don't know. I didn't know what to do at first. The survival instinct came in, so I set up camp. I had to get fit well for hunting, maintain this physique. So I started doing things like pull-ups on a daily basis. Really worked out well in the end. Not gonna lie, it got quite boring as well. But luckily I was able to watch, Butter D and Alex Made a Banger videos on my phone, so it was all good. Those guys are funny. Yeah, I pretty much got no service. So, man, this one day, I found these berries, right? And I was so hungry, I was just about to eat them. But then I thought back to my favorite movie ever, Ice Age 4. Now, there's a part in it where the sloth eats these wild berries. And, he gets all big and, because of the berry. It's actually pretty funny. However, I took the advice from that movie and I said, don't eat those berries, Ramp. Don't eat them. And I'm so glad I did. No sign of help.